Hello guys, welcome to Techno Fiction. Today in this video you are going to learn how to manage reported data. So in this unit you will learn how to manage the data, and the challenge given is to export a report as CSV. CSV is nothing but an Excel sheet or else spreadsheet. So to do this challenge, launch your playground and go to reports. In reports, you have created a report named as users not logged in last 7 days. Go to this report. You can see the arrow near edit. In that you can see export. Click that. Click details only and choose the format as comma delimited.csv, and the encoding is ISO-8859-1. Check whether that is selected and then click export. You can see a file has been downloaded. I rename this name as users not logged in last 7 days export details. That is the name we have to do. So rename the file and check the challenge. This is a simple challenge. We have completed this challenge. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.